What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another backyard jeeping video. I'm Jarek.
I'm Jonathan.
And today we're going to be talking about the dirt-bound off-road fender flares and fender armor. Unfortunately, there's not a install video. We lost the footage. The video editor that we were using completely crashed. It wiped out the memory card. We even took the memory card and plugged it into another computer, and it said there was nothing on there. So, we will be doing a walk around though, showing you guys the Jeep, showing the finished product. I'm really upset that we don't have an install video, but I guess it happens. It didn't take us really too long. What do you think, Jonathan?
About an hour or two.
Yeah, it didn't take too long. The longest thing was really doing all the drilling for the rear. The front went like it was nothing. The rear is really what took the longest. But of course, we didn't take any breaks. We just let the camera roll. You know, we didn't stop to cut out or anything. We just letting it roll throughout the whole process. We just move in different angles. So yeah, let me go ahead, flip this camera around, and we will show you guys, you know, the finished product here. Sorry for all the background noise. We are beside a daycare. Here is the rear. Now we do still have to do the cut and tuck on the rear here, as you can see. And then here is the driver front, that good old dirt-bound logo, DB. Same with the front. We gotta do the trimming. I'm just gonna trim all the way up to the fender armor, just that way everything is flush. Yes, I took out the reservoir for the washer fluid because I never used it anyways. There is the driver's side. Also got the dirt down off-road bumper. Here is the passenger side. Same thing here. Just got to do the trim. Just a little bit more cutting. And here is the passenger side rear. Same with this side. Cut and tuck here. Now this kit goes really good with the Rusty's Off-Road rear corner cut and tuck panels and bumper. It lines out perfectly with it. Here's a little walk around of it. Got the old Big Booty Judy sticker right there. We are going to be doing some painting here soon. Got some 31-inch tires on here. They are some Federals. Now we're going to be replacing this window right here also. When we went out and got all new interior, well, not new to us interior for it. We actually took a little road trip for that. We went to Shanks, West Virginia, but the GPS took us through Maryland and then to Shanks. And then we also made a little pit stop in Pennsylvania. We were like, we might as well go to New York, shoot. Make a little, I mean, it was only like a 3-4 more hour drive. So we got all new interior, and luckily the guy still had the Jeep, so we were able to snag that window. That's from previous owner right there. But yeah, that's the walk around of it. Like I said, it wasn't too bad. I highly recommend having somebody with you though. I mean, you can do it by yourself, but it's easier if you have somebody with you. We got the old business partner here. Jonathan put in a bunch of work with me on this thing.
A lot.
Yeah, a lot. I also recommend if the nut rivets aren't bad. It's not bad. It does take a lot of your time though. So I highly recommend just going to Lowe's or Ace Hardware, whatever hardware store you have near you, taking one of those screws for you for the rear end and just finding a nut that fits that.
And washers.
And a washer, so that way you just don't have to have the rivet. Then you also don't have to drill as big of a hole. So that, I mean, it didn't really take too much time. Like I said, it wasn't too bad.
Nope.
We had fun doing it. We had music playing. Like I said, we had the camera set up. We were just moving different angles. But I don't know what happened with that video editor. I know it wasn't the laptop. It was the editor. I know for a fact it was, because it just started glitching real bad, and then the editor, like, the images on it went really, like, pixelated, and then the computer just shut off. So I don't know what happened. I'm going to be looking for a new editor. We do got some trail videos coming up also. Hopefully that'll be, maybe we'll get, today's Friday. I'm not sure when you guys are watching this video, but today's Friday. We're going out tomorrow. Might be going out to Blue Creek. We are in Charleston, Elkview area of West Virginia. So hopefully we're going out Blue Creek tomorrow. Instead of going to Sanderson like we usually do. Try to check out some new trails. Here is that Rusty's rear bumper, in case you were wondering. It is the cut and tuck rear bumper. But yeah, guys, I mean, that was really all that we wanted to do today. Was, since we didn't have an install video, we wanted to show you guys the finished product here. I highly recommend go out. Maybe not going out with the dirt bound option. It is on a little bit on the pricey side, but I absolutely love dirt bound products. You can find cheaper options on eBay, Amazon. But yeah, I mean, if you're looking to get you some fenders and want some armor, I mean, why not have both at the same time, rather than, because the plastic fenders that I had on there was just complete junk. I mean, I didn't want to cut them because Jonathan wants them, so I didn't want to cut them to match the cut and tuck on the rear. So this kind of worked out pretty good. But yeah, guys, like, subscribe, share. The last video we put up, we had a bunch of comments on there. I absolutely loved it. It was engaging with some of you guys. We had a blast with that. A bunch of questions. Follow our Instagram and Facebook. You can also DM us on there if you have any questions about this, in case we get lost in the comments. We also have a website that we're working on. We do have a giveaway going on right now. So if you go to our Instagram or our Facebook, check for the post for the giveaway. Once we get to 100 subscribers on YouTube, we're going to be giving away the U Stellar rock lights, which we did an install video of those. Yeah, man, they're great, which I can't wait for the video that you guys will see the video of those bad boys at night. So, but yeah, we're doing a giveaway on that, and we also are doing a 1K giveaway on our Instagram. I'm not going to tell you what the goodie is for that. So, just go subscribe to the Instagram, follow the YouTube, or follow the Instagram, follow the Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube. And yeah, I mean, you have anything that you want to put in here?
Just don't use the rivet things.
Don't use the nut rivets, he says.
Yeah,
he absolutely hates the nut rivets, man. They're time consuming. They're time consuming. But you don't necessarily need them. You don't, like, we lost one on the trail for the cut and tuck. We're just gonna, run the bolt through with a nut on the back of it. I mean, you can also spot weld them on there, I guess. I mean, that could hold up pretty good. But you got to think it's sheet metal, so be careful doing that. But yeah, guys, we don't want the video to be too long. We know our previous videos have been about 20 minutes, so we're trying to get them a little bit shorter. But yeah, just leave us a couple comments of what you guys would like to see. Like I said, the Instagram and Facebook, we're doing giveaways. Hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next one. The next one should be a trail video, unless we get some kind of goodie in the middle to throw on this bad boy. But yeah, until then, man, I hope you guys have a good day. Don't let COVID beat you guys down. Go out, have some fun, live life. And that's it, man. Backyard jeeping. Get that big booty one more time.